given the backdrop, why are you so certain that we're not going to have some economic bumps in the road? We had 2 good jobs numbers, but now we're seeing problems in a lot of Sunbelt states. We could have reclosures. We could have trouble opening schools. Why aren't you doubting your V-shaped thesis, given the data that we're seeing about the virus in the last 2 weeks?
I mean, y'all live in New York City. Go to the restaurants. Restaurants are full. Restaurants in St. Petersburg are full. The economy is doing a lot better than most of the economists think. So I think the economics are going to come on strong. I think earnings are going to do better than most people think. People are woefully underinvested. There's $5 trillion in money market funds. So, I think the markets are going up. I think they're going up a lot more than people think. I think, we may stall here for a while into the fall, into September, October, November. But I think you're going to get a rocket ship coming in the fall of this year. And I think the Dow's going to the S&P is going to trade out above 4,000.
Oh, what? We're at 3130 now, so that's more bullish than you've been in the past. So you said over 4,000 by the next how many months? 12 months? In the next 12 months, I think the S&P will be above 4,000. So that's about 25%.
Yeah.
So how much of this, the other thing that we always hear, is this is all just ephemeral Fed, a Bernanke, Yellen, Powell put that actually I saw something that for Mount Rushmore, it would be Mount Printmore, and we'd have all the recent Fed, we change it, we can put all the recent Fed chairmen and chairwomen up on Mount Printmore. Have you heard that?
Yeah.
That's not what you attribute all of the positive momentum to in the financial markets globally?
The economy is strong. It's getting stronger. That will drive earnings higher than most analysts expect. And I'll say it again, people are woefully underinvested. This is a secular bull market, and there's not many of us that have been around 50 years to see what a secular bull market looks like. And secular bull markets tend to last 15 to 20 years. So depending on your starting point, whether it's October of 08 or March of 09, this thing ought to have another 5, 6, 7 years left in it, and nobody believes it.
So you're not questioning why the market's going up. You're not saying there's no reason for it. You think that's the reason, and you have a lot of conviction in this. I'm just wondering whether you're factoring in some of the data that we're seeing in some of these trouble spots where ICUs are getting near capacity, and you're just seeing cases that we thought we had under control at one point. Now we're hitting new highs. Those things don't bother you in terms of the V-shaped premise that you have for the economy.
No, they do not. I mean, again, there's not many people that have been around long enough to see what a secular bull market looks like. The economy's getting better. I think earnings are going to come in better than people expect. And I think there's going to be a huge amount of money that's going to flow into equities.